I'm Derek Townsend, President of Syndicate Sales. Whether it's reducing waste in the manufacturing process, experimenting with innovative materials and product development, or streamlining and maximizing our business practices, everything we do here at Syndicate is with sustainability in mind.
At Syndicate Sales, we believe we all need to do our part in the environmental sustainability effort. New product development is vital in this effort, and we're always looking for ways to be sustainable, whether it's in our product, our packaging, or just our everyday actions. We utilize repurposed materials as long as we do not jeopardize the integrity and functionality of that material. So we also encourage the reuse of our product. For example, the Holly Chapel eggs and pillows were designed for this purpose. We're constantly looking for ways to reduce our single-use plastic. While I can't give away all of our secrets, I can say that Syndicate Sales is always on the forefront of development, and this effort of eco-friendly solutions is no different. We manufacture a lot of our own products. We're currently evaluating and testing biodegradable, compostable, and repurposed materials, as well as testing renewable plant-based resins versus petroleum-based resins. We are also investigating natural alternatives to single-use products.
Our glassware uses recycled materials.
Glass is one of the most eco-friendly solutions in our product line. It is composed of only natural resources. The glass we produce, whether it's domestic or import, is made with 30 to 35% recycled material. Anything we produce for our recycled line is up to 100% recycled glass, and all of our glass is then 100% recyclable. By recycling glass, we conserve natural materials, and recycled glass uses less energy to heat as it requires lower temperatures than raw material.
Another thing we do here at Syndicate in the purchasing department is we take special care to purchase our product in full truckloads to make sure that we are using every square foot of a truck. We also do a large program for direct shipping to customers so that the product does not even touch our warehouse. It gets filled and sent directly to customers so that we save our labor, we save gas, and we save time.
Sustainability is important at Syndicate because obviously we have an obligation to consider not only the environmental but also the human impact that our products have through the supply chain to the end customer. Sustainability is important at the DC because we like to reduce that footprint as much as possible while also being able to provide a high quality product on time and in full. For us, we have our own salvage operation, and when we find damaged product in the DC, we actually transfer it to the salvage room. And from there, we will repurpose the good glass and put it back into inventory. And with all of what we call our cullet glass, we collect that in truckloads, and we actually utilize a regional recycler, and they take it from us and then they recycle it. In the DC, we recycle our corrugate using a local company actually. They will take everything that we have and then they will make new boxes out of them. Some other ways that we try and be environmentally friendly in the DC and in the warehouse, we recently went to all LED lighting. We're moving to be as paperless as we can. We use natural gas in our heating rather than electricity. We also utilize air quilts in our VAC operation. One pallet of air quilts actually equals 2 truckloads of bubble wrap. We bought higher quality wrap machines, and those wrap machines actually use 75% less wrap than the older models. We are switching from propane equipment to electric equipment. We have approximately 75% electric equipment right now. In our foam operation, we utilize a water jet, which not only keeps that precision that we need, but also cuts down on the waste for our raw materials. Here at the DC, we're really always looking for any way that we can to reduce that footprint and really look out for the environment and be the best that we can and kind of leaders here at Syndicate. For us, sustainability means improving the quality of life for everyone, as it allows us to do our part as well as utilize those savings in other areas in order to continuously improve the efficiencies of the operation.